my channel. I'm Beauty by Deanna D, and I am barefaced because I wanted to come out here barefaced because I can do that. So today's video, I just wanted to sit down and talk and chat, do some glam, do a spring look because I felt like my Instagram was a little bit too neutral. Follow me on Instagram at Beauty by Deanna D, and Twitter Beauty by Deanna D, Facebook Beauty by Deanna D, and Wix.com Beauty by Deanna D, and WordPress. I have not did either or updates on those two sites. I feel bad for myself. I need to, but don't worry, we're gonna do that. So, oh yeah, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. I need y'all to subscribe because, you know, I love what I do, and I need you to see what I love to do. And what I love to do is makeup, so I need you guys to subscribe. So we're going to go into primer. We're going to be using the LA Colors Face Primer. Helps smooth skin and extend makeup. Like right here, I got a couple of family reunions going on in my face right now. And don't worry, we're going to get the crowd moving off the face sooner or later because y'all need to help me out here, okay? I definitely need to squeeze this primer out because I am about out of this primer, and this primer is very great. It saves a lot of coins. It saves a lot of coins because there are other primers that feels just like this one, and with those primers you're paying a little bit more. So $3, $2, wherever you find this at, you're gonna be not paying an arm and a leg with this product. So I'm going to moisturize my skin as I talk and ramble because I want to talk and ramble. Talk and ramble. Talk and ramble. Talk and ramble. It's been a minute and I want to talk and ramble. It's been a minute and I want to talk and ramble. I like that. I just did that. I like that. I just did that. So, so anyways. Okay. Video. Oh, so first, just before we get any further, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is cute, and this is the brush that has my makeup eyeliner in there. Yay! So I get to get that out first, and I'm just so excited. You guys loved the last time I actually did my brows on camera because ain't nothing top secret. But I wish beauty gurus would stop doing that, you know, trying to be all top secret about certain stuff they do. You know, you do makeup. It's okay. It's okay to share. It's okay to show a little bit, even though I don't want this video to be long because it takes me 2 hours to do eyebrows. But you know, it's okay to share your stuff. It's the same thing that I usually do. I use my Wet n Wild. This is like my go-to brow pencil. It's my go-to brow pencil, you guys. I love it so much. Can't seem to put this product down for anything. Because it's like this is my everyday go-to daily brow. It's a really good brow pencil. Like, I've been through so many stages of brows, products and things, but this one is just the one that I just seen that I cannot put my hands off of, no matter what. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the e.l.f. This is the 16. This is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Cameo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. This concealer is everything, you guys. I love it. we got our brows on and plates and everything, I'm gonna take the Ruby Kisses, and this is their, you know, Luxe palette that I love to use. So I really love this palette. This palette is amazing. I love it. I really love it. So what do I want to chat with y'all about today? But we're gonna go ahead and get started with this look either way. So I'm taking Tropicanna while we're getting into the look. I want to chat with you guys a little bit about my ideas for my second channel. I have a second channel, and I plan on, you know, it's still gonna be my vlog channel, you guys. Don't get me wrong, it's still gonna be my vlog channel where I do beauty, and plus I have a planner channel, but it's still gonna be my vlog channel. But I want to know if you guys are interested into like things that goes on around the world, like celebrity gossip updates. I felt like I was really wanting to get into those videos. I see that Leah Gordon is now doing it. I do like to gossip about celebrities, and I don't want to be no Wendy Williams type gossiper, but just someone who's going to, you know, give you the tea, even though it's my personal channel, give you the tea a little bit more, you know, stuff like that. I felt like with doing stuff like that on my channel, you guys get to probably know me a little bit more outside of just doing makeup. Plus I did that channel anyway for you guys to like know who I am a lot more outside of the beauty community. Because I felt like that was what I intended that niche to be on that channel. And you guys, I felt like with me telling you guys how I feel, you know, you guys know who I am and know what I take seriously and don't take seriously. Because I kind of felt like I want to do that channel that way. And I wanted to come to you guys and see if that's okay with you guys, because I want to know if you guys want to hear my thoughts on celebrity gossip, so like that. Just let me know in the comments. So now I'm going to go in with the Royal palette from BH Cosmetics 20 eyeshadow palette, which is a babe. I love this palette. And I'm going to go in with Enchantment, which is this gorgeous grayish color. And yes, my mom's birthday had recently passed, and we took her to this place in Charlotte, North Carolina, called Red Ginger. It was amazing. I never thought that I would like Japanese food. Like, I'm not really a huge fan of Japanese or any knees. Like, I stopped eating Chinese food because I started believing in the myth of it being cats and dogs, and I just stopped eating that. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like everything now, I mean, pretty much is from an animal. Like, I eat a cow, you know, I eat meat, so everything is basically from an animal, like. But I'm like, no, just the thought of eating cats and dogs is not a good thought, you know. So now I was a little nervous about eating Japanese. It was really good. I had this chicken. I had this habaki chicken and vegetables, rice, and noodles. It was everything. So my mom had a good birthday. I did a post on Instagram. Guys want to see who my mom is and follow her on IG. Tell her her lovely daughter sent you. If you guys are wanting to follow her on IG, do so. So right now I'm just gonna cut out the crease really quickly, and I'm gonna be right back. on. So now that I have the eyes done, I basically went in with the BH Cosmetics. Kind of a little carried away with the look, just a little bit, because I felt like I need to put in a little bit more work, and I was like, oh god, I was filming a top through. So I went in with the BH Cosmetics Royal Eyeshadow Palette, and I also used Enchanted. I used Throne. So this is Enchanted. Here's some Throne. Where's Throne? Where's Throne? Throne is really pretty icy blue. And I went in with Crown, which is this pretty green. And then I went in with Regal, which is this pretty burgundy color. So now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner, which we're using blue. I felt like I wanted to do something a little bit different on the gram this time. And I'm going to use this NYX Professional Makeup Midnight Chaos. And the shade called it just says Chaos. I mean Midnight. Does it have a shade? Does it have a shade? Black and Stylism. So it's like this pretty royal blue with purple all together, and I'm just gonna apply it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of it. And I gotta go. And I will see you soon. Bye guys.